Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, he's taking a look at something that's really popular in the DIY audio world, the TDA2030A Amplifier module. Specifically, he got his hands on a pack of 5 of these little boards. For anyone into building their own speakers, repairing old audio equipment, or just experimenting with sound, these modules are often a go-to component. The TDA2030A is a classic integrated circuit, known for being quite robust and relatively simple to implement. It's a single-chip audio amplifier that can deliver a decent amount of power for its size and cost, typically in the range of 10 to 15 watts depending on the power supply and heat sinking. Getting a pack of 5 like this is particularly useful. It means you can build a stereo amplifier and still have 3 modules left over for other projects, or perhaps build a multi-channel setup, or just have spares on hand. For someone who enjoys tinkering, having multiple identical modules opens up a lot of possibilities without needing to place separate orders for each small build. These modules usually come pre-assembled on a small PCB, which includes the necessary passive components like resistors and capacitors, making it much easier to integrate into a project compared to working with the bare IC. They typically have terminals or solder points for power input, audio input, and speaker output. The TDA2030A is known for its low distortion and good sound quality for its power class. It's not going to power massive floor-standing speakers, but for desktop speakers, small bookshelf systems, or even car audio applications where space is limited, it's more than capable. Its simplicity also means it's a great starting point for beginners in audio electronics. There are countless schematics and project guides available online using this chip, which makes it very accessible. He appreciates that these modules take away some of the complexity of building the circuit from scratch, allowing him to focus more on the enclosure design, power supply, and overall system integration. When working with these, it's important to remember they do require a heat sink, especially if pushing them toward their maximum power output. The small heat sinks often included on the modules themselves might be sufficient for low-volume testing, but for continuous use at higher power, a larger external heat sink is usually recommended to prevent overheating and potential damage. Powering them correctly is also key. They typically operate on a dual-rail power supply, though single supply configurations are also possible with some circuit modifications, which these modules might or might not support out of the box. He finds the convenience of having 5 ready-to-use modules in one package to be excellent value for anyone frequently working on audio projects. It saves time and effort compared to sourcing components individually. Overall, for the hobbyist or DIY enthusiast, these 5pcs TDA2030A amplifier modules offer a fantastic combination of performance, ease of use, and sheer quantity for the price. He's looking forward to putting these to good use in some upcoming builds.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.